Hi, good day to you. I'm Sridharan Mani, Director and CEO of American Megatrends. Let me take this opportunity to thank SME Channels for talking about our business in 2012 and also what we are looking forward in 2013. So it has been a nice journey for us in 2012. American Megatrends as an organization, we focus in three areas. One is OEM ODMs, and second on enterprise products and enterprise solutions. So in OEM ODM space, we work on BIOS, remote management, diagnostics, and also on option draw, embedded and platform validation services. Specifically in India, we focus more on the enterprise products and enterprise solution segment. So in enterprise product segment, we focus heavily on SMEs with our storage, asset management, and help desk related products. Our storage is Ethernet based. It is IP SAN and NAS. So we have single and dual controller models that we promote in the market, and we have been witnessing good growth over the years. And I take this opportunity to sincerely thank the partners, customers, press media, and our employees who have been with us with the journey and making this a successful thing. 2012 is a very interesting year. One of the things that we have been witnessing is we do see that the change is happening from the desktop world into the mobile world, and also from the server world into the cloud world. So AMI has been fortunate to be playing a role in that particular area. So we have been helping organizations to move from legacy to mobile platforms as well as from legacy to cloud platforms. Recently we had signed up with one of our partner, FutureNet, in order to provide disaster recovery as a service over the cloud, and it has been a good venture. So now organizations can have a D2D2C instead of a D2D2D. So you can have a disk to disk to cloud, where you can have the data backed up onto the cloud. So we see a lot of things that is going to be happening with the cloud, and we do see that software as a service and infrastructure as a service, platform as a service will be picking up, and more organizations will be looking forward to utilize the value of the cloud, thereby they lower the total cost of ownership. And for small enterprises, the cost of operations will be becoming lower, and because of moving their infrastructure into the cloud, and which we think the transition is happening now, and eventually it will be a good success story. AMI's storage products always have been the backend in the cloud systems, and we are coming up with horizontal federated, vertical federated storage solutions, which we have been successful in the market, and you can expect more new releases in this particular area in coming quarters. So in the last year we released 1310, which is one new, and we have also released our 3400, which is a dual controller model, and we have been seeing some good traction and good success stories with that. Specifically talking about India, one of the things that we always look in enterprises and as well as in the customer base is how to reduce the power utilization in an organization. I'm going to leave a surprise here. By the first quarter of 2013, it would be something that is going to be a very interesting product release that you'll be seeing from AMI, which will help organizations to cut down their power consumption. Thereby they will save a lot of billing, they will save a lot of cost on the power bills. So we look to work with our partners, with our customers, and we have been very successful in enabling our customers to move into the mobile platform, and we do see that a lot of applications that we have in the enterprises front will be moved into the mobile technology very soon. I sincerely take this opportunity to thank the SME channel for providing me this opportunity, and we do feel that the world is going to embrace on the new advancements in the technology in terms of cloud, virtualization, and basically having a disaster recovery outside the enterprise and having on the cloud. All these are going to be adopted, because enterprises are constantly looking at the way to reduce the total cost of ownership, because always they look at recovery point objective and recovery time objective, and this is going to be very critical. So when you look at the recovery point objective, it makes very easy if we have a backup also on the cloud, because which is also going to give you unlimited storage. So the channel partners, I don't call them as channel partners, I call them as the solution partners, because our partners today are such a way that they understand the customer's problem. And when they understand the customer's problem, they always come with solutions that is required by the customer. So they will play a major role in the movements. And in India, basically the partners are the one who are one step closer to the customer, so they understand the customer problems, and they will be the ones who will be identifying the right kind of solution metrics that would be used for going into the cloud technology. So as I said earlier, one of our partner, FutureNet, so they provide not only the infrastructure service and solution to the customer, they also provide innovative solutions such as moving the data into the cloud for disaster recovery, which basically helps the partner to provide reliable service and also ensure that they also have a better mechanism to help the customer whenever there is a failure. So earlier partners were making opportunities only with CapEx. With cloud coming in, and with the businesses going more for the OpEx model, now partners will have a good role to play in terms of having recurring revenue coming through the OpEx models also. Very interesting question actually. So the way we look at it is like we are our company, American Megatrends, is always a company that is working towards product innovations that is needed by the customers. So in fact, our new tagline is Invent Future. So let us build tomorrow's technologies today. That is what is our tagline, and that is what's been our focus. So we don't actually compete. We actually complement each other in many cases, because at the end of the day, customer requires a solution. So the customer would go for a HP server or a Dell server or an IBM server, and they may want a storage box from us because of the simple reason our box would give the ideal performance for the application or the solution they are looking at. So every time when we go to the customer, we try to understand what is the reason they are buying it for, and we try to position our solution based on the requirement the customer has. And if we know that our solution is not going to be the ideal solution for them, we will also suggest which are the other products which they can consider in their environment in order to give the final solution. Because at the end of the day, the customer should get what he is looking for at an optimized cost, and for that our partners play a major role. So I can very clearly say that today our partners are very knowledgeable and they are very smart. So they know which product metrics or which solution will benefit the customer, and which is a very welcoming change. So, and in tomorrow when we look at the cloud, again they would also, the cloud is not going to be like one ideal platform that everybody will fall into one particular cloud. So depending on the solution need, depending on the RTO and RPO objectives, the partner will be suggesting which will be the ideal environment to, which ideal cloud to use for what kind of an application. So, in a nutshell, if I were to put it simply, I would say that the technology direction is always decided by the business, and the choice of technology is always made by the customer in consultation with the partner, which will give the ideal solution for the enterprise. Actually, the way we promote the product in the market is based on the benefits that our product can offer. So typically what we found the customers looking to buy from our products is like whenever there is a requirement for a disaster recovery based solution, or when they want to have a good WAN acceleration based system, and when they are looking for redirect on write snapshots. So when they are looking at performance, and when they are looking at a good performance that is comparable with EMC and NetApp, that is where we see our product gaining more and more. So we are very specific in the area where we position our product. So we don't go in for a low-end storage, and we are not into the fiber storage. Our focus is always on the Ethernet storage, where the enterprises are looking for performance and they are looking for advanced features such as intelligent lifecycle management, and looking for SRM, looking for WAN acceleration, looking for high availability with auto failover, and also looking for a good disaster recovery solution with redirect and write snapshots. So to be very honest, we have been very successful because our partners understand that. So whenever such kind of a requirement comes from the customer, our partners without an hesitation just promote our product, knowing that it can deliver the best value for the money the customer is going to invest in. Not really. The way it happens is like many of our partners are in tier 2. So they are the ones who basically design the solution for the end customer. So when they are designing the solution, at the time itself, they basically will project AMI, wherever AMI will give the best value for the money the customer is investing. So 90% of our 90% of our partners, when they are architecting the solution, they also consult with us. Basically, they come back and say, Sridhar, this is the customer we are having. So, and they are looking at a solution like this. Now, you tell me, in order to have this kind of IOPS, and in order to have this kind of a performance, how we need to have the architect, how do we need to architect the solution? So in those cases, my partner engagement team, the technical team, and sometimes the developers directly work with the partners in order to provide that ideal platform that will be needed for the customer to have the best outcome. So it does happen. So sometimes we help in putting the right solution for the customer. Sometimes the partners themselves would have spec'd our solution, and then they will come to us saying that, okay, this is the model that we have given for the customer, so we want you to deliver this. So we work in both ways. So actually, with respect to India, we see a lot of interest coming from the partner side on the storage. So we do a lot of business on our storage front in India, storage, asset management, and the help desk. And from the corporates, like solution partners, from the corporate side, we see a lot of traction from the mobility solutions, because we see a lot of organizations who are wanting to move their legacy applications to mobile, because they want to move from the wired environment into the wireless environment. And so some of the mobility work we have done is like field service automation. We did a lot of work in the healthcare area, where the remote patient care and patient-based services to be automated so that we can give better care to the patients. So feedback management system. And another area which we have done is, again, this is becoming a major challenge in the Indian market, is with respect to the corporate knowledge. So a lot of corporations, they are finding a way to make sure their ground staff and the people are trained effectively. So we work with several corporates, and we recently developed and delivered a product called Knowledge Management System. So with this particular product, what the corporates are able to do is they were able to have their trainings and materials uploaded into the system, and have those trainings and materials nominated to various users. So the users will go through the training. After going through the training, there is a test that they have to take. When they pass the test, once they pass the test, they will be certified, and the corporate will authorize them to go and do the other activities. So this knowledge management system has been used by several organizations to get their ISO certification done properly, by making sure all their employees are trained effectively, and it is also used by healthcare institutions for NABH certification. How it helps is, take a simple example. If I am a hospital and I am having around 1,500 to 2,000 employees, it is highly impossible for me to bring all the people into one room and start them training on quality process. With the knowledge management system portal, the people can take the training at their own convenience, and they can take the test at their own convenience. By having the test taken, the training effectiveness is automatically measured, and the hospital can make sure that all the employees are trained effectively, so the efficient patient care can be given. So this has been very successful for us. So that is what we work with the corporates. So with the channel partners, we promote our asset management, our storage, and our help desk related solutions. So with respect to India, close to 60 to 70% come from our enterprise product segment, and 30% from our enterprise solutions. So typically 30 to 40% of our investments go into R&D. So in Chennai, we have close to a 14 acre facility with 400 employees working in Chennai. Close to 400 employees working in Chennai. So 90% of the people on our rolls are engineering. So we are a product innovation company. Around the globe, we have more than 200 plus patents on various technologies. In India, we have a good number of patents on the telematics and on the healthcare segment, which we have applied over the years. So we focus mainly on product innovation and engineering. Our tagline is Invent Future, and we always are a forward-looking company. We always look for new technologies to be invented, and we always work with our partners and our customers to build the technologies for the tomorrow's world. Typically, enterprise products, we go through the channel partner network, because enterprise solutions is very unique. So we directly work with the corporates for enterprise solutions. And sometimes we have a good set of solution partners who take us in for some of the enterprise solution related activities. So channel partner network and is looking more into the enterprise products. So storage, asset management, help desk, and disaster recovery as all cloud solutions. Anything that is related to IT infrastructure and IT support, we work with our channel partners. Okay. Like for example, if somebody is looking for a legacy to mobile application, where the whole application has to be done with the marketing team or with the HR team in an organization, we directly with the team, and we take the requirements from the customer and develop the solution and give it to them. So there we work with ISVs, and then like in some cases there will be more we work with some of the partners in US, UK and Japan who basically would do the front ending of gathering the requirements and sending it to us, and then we'll put out the whole solution and giving it back to the partner. So they basically would do a requirement gathering, more of a business analyst role, and send the information to us. Application development services, mobility application services development, we cater to the global market. Enterprise products, we cater within India, because AMI is a multinational company. So we are in 7 countries worldwide, and Indian operations focus on promoting this product in India, and in we focus on promoting the product in Asia Pacific, and in what do you call it as the Middle Eastern markets. Very interesting question. Actually, the recent success for us has been with Walgreens. So when Walgreens was looking at a storage solution, they were looking at almost all the storage vendors across the globe. And I think there were 40 storage vendors they shortlisted. And they were evaluating all the 40 storage vendors. And it was based on a very stringent guideline for evaluation. And we are thankful that our product was picked the best out of all the 40 storage vendors. So you know all the 40 that is in the market, all the top 40. So AMI was selected the best, and that particular storage box is now being implemented in almost all the 1800 stores of Walgreens, which is 1800 stores across the entire US of Walgreens. So which itself is a good testimony and success story to show that AMI product line is a very mature product line, and it has been almost evaluated with every other competitor that is available in the market, and an enterprise like Walgreens has picked up AMI as the best product. And apart from that, AMI products are certified by VMware. So we are certified both for ESX4 and ESX5 by VMware, and it is available in their website. So we have a very sound and reliable product. The interesting thing about the storage market is growing, and all the partners, all the vendors have a share that they can take in the storage market. So AMI is very clear on the niche where we can succeed and the niche where we can provide better value to the customer. So we continually focus in that particular area, and we have been winning good corporate deals because of our effectiveness in that area, and Walgreens is a good testimony to prove that. Very true. So actually in India we have our sales team located in all the major metros, and we are constantly adding our resources in the metros, adding resources of our sales team across the whole India. And our partner count is also increasing. So year on year we have more number of partners aligning with AMI because of its better products, and also because of the competitive pricing that we offer in the market. And our brand image also has been improving year on year as a good reliable storage vendor. To back it up, AMI was the first one to come up with a hardware RAID controller, MegaRAID, and that became so popular, and later on we spinned off and sold that whole division to LSI. So AMI has always had a good technical edge in terms of the storage technologies. And we see our partner count increasing, and we also see our partners are coming up with more and more inquiries that is aligning with the kind of solutions that we provide. And you would see more investments to be made in the product related improvements, and also in empowering our partners. We work on both the models, but most of the partners are aligned directly with us. Yeah, we have a strong channel partner management team in our organization. So they take care of the partner engagement and partner management. One of the things is like we focus heavily on tier 2 partners who are solution partners. So they work with us directly, because when you're a solution partner, it is not only just selling the box that is important. It is also making sure that box is configured and installed properly in order to meet the customer requirements. Today in India, we find two major challenges. One challenge is with respect to the power problem. Because of the power problem, we also see high rate of hard disk failures. So because of that, you can see like the disk utilization, which was expected earlier to come for a longer time, is coming down. So we have taken steps to educate our partner and also our customers on these two problems. So why a proper UPS is important, especially in the SME area. This is very, very critical, because the power fluctuation can cause a lot of vibration, and also like it can lead to a lot of disk being failure, which may end up in losing a lot of data. So a lot of improvements or diagnostics have been done into our stack to make sure that this kind of situations are avoided. And also the important thing is we have to also do heavy amount of partner education, saying that how storage is different from a server, and how the storage has to be well kept and maintained, including maintaining the temperature of the room, putting the storage box in a rack, and ensuring that whenever there is a power problem, you have a proper voltage regulator and a UPS running on it. And then also having an alert mechanism. So whenever the alert comes to the user, ensuring that that particular action is taken right away. So our KMS platform is widely used now to do our partner training and education. So all our partners are getting trained on a regular basis using our platform, so that they can get the information about the new products, how to install it, and how to effectively maintain in a customer enterprise. we have more than 120 plus partners today. Good question, sir. Again, we have never been an Intel Insight. You know, like AMI runs on more than 500 million computers across the world, and 90% of the server remote management is based on AMI. So AMI has always focused on product innovation, and when it comes to branding, we basically focus on the areas where our customer is. So we are more of a solution provider who wants to provide good solutions with our product rather than just being a box pusher, because at the end of the day we feel disheartened when we see our box is lying on the shelf than on the server room and running and providing the environment. So always we have been very successful in making sure we provide the reliable service and value to the customer. So that is why if you look at our marketing efforts, it has been always focused to the target customer base who are looking for solutions of our size. So today I am here with SME channels because we know that SME channels is addressing the market segment that we are looking at. Because small to enterprise, small medium enterprises are the key areas for our storage segment, and we focus heavily on them, and we find that SME channels has a good reach to them, and that is why we are very happy to be working with you and sharing the information about what we do in this particular market.